In this video, let me show you how to send stars and Solitaire Cash. Unfortunately, you cannot actually do this as this feature does not exist in the game. But here's how it works. Stars are earned by completing games and are used to unlock tournaments and progress through prize tiers. They accumulate individually and are not transferable or giftable currency like coins or real money. Since Solitaire Cash is a competitive skill based game, allowing players to transfer stars could lead to manipulation or unfair play. The app is designed so that all progress like this is tied to personal gameplay. Here's what you can do. You can refer friends to earn bonuses, not stars, but sometimes cash or tickets. You can also learn more star by finishing higher in tournaments, playing daily challenges, and participating in Star Rush or similar in-app events. Again, you cannot send stars to other players and Solitaire Cash. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.